Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mia here, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to clean and wash your cat litter boxes in the standard rescue foster home way, because a lot of people has been asking me how did I keep my house not smelling like cats even though I have so many cats in one small space. And let me tell you that the first secret to keeping your house smelling nice and clean when you have a lot of cats is by making sure that your litter boxes are all clean and always nice and always fresh. If you want to find out how I clean my litter boxes, just keep watching this video.